Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to upload file using Laravel. Okay, so I just created a from, that is upload file, and here you can see this is the option to choose a file, and we are getting the submit button. We are created that things with the bootstrap. So if you check, this is my blade file and I use the bootstrap, and here I designed the page. Okay, and we created the file upload controller, and here we are using the show from to view this file upload, and we are calling this file upload from here. Okay, I think you can understand the flow. Means this is the URL. Using that URL we can hit these functions, and from that function we can call the view. Okay, so this is currently the static page. Now I am going to upload a file using the Laravel. Okay, so how we can do this? So simply to upload a file, here we have created a from, and inside the from we know that we need to use the CSRF token. So why CSRF token is needed, I already discussed. Actually this is for security reason. Okay, and here I will just use the post method. Let's create a action so that when we click on this button we can go to that page. Okay, so now here I just going to create an action. Okay, just for submit the file upload. Means when we create this submit page, then we will go in which section. So this is the action. Okay, now here in the action I just created a I will create a name route, and here just write upload dot file. Okay, and let's create a route with this name. Now here just go to the web.php, and here just write route, and obviously this will be the post type. So here you can see this is the post type, and here write upload file or file upload, whatever you can write. Actually this is the get method and this is the post method, so we can write in this way. So file upload, same URL, but the method name is different. Okay, now here write file upload controller class, and let's call a function show upload file. Okay, and just create this name route, and here just define the name. So simply write name, and here write upload file. Okay, so when we will just hit this URL, we will call this upload file from the file upload controller. So let's create this file upload controller. So here write public function file upload or upload file. This is a function name, and here when we submit we will get the file from the request. So we need to use this request here. So request, and I'm just taking with the request. Okay, and another thing, if you're going to upload any file, always you need to mention the encryption type. So here inside the from tag just write enc type. Okay, so simply write enc type, encryption type. Actually the encryption type always will be multipart from data, multipart from data. Actually if you want to upload any file, that time the encryption type is needed. Okay, now just go here and let's write the upload control methods. Okay, first we will create a validation. So whatever we'll upload, we will upload only the jpeg file. Okay, except jpeg file we will not allow anything. So simply just use the Laravel default validation. So simply write just use this request, and let's validate, and here just create. the file. Actually this is the name. Okay, so the name is file, so here write file. Okay, and obviously this is required, requi already required, and here I just going to write the file, and the MIMES type will be the MIMES type will be only the JPEG. Okay, so let's declare JPG. Okay, JPG or JPEG, whatever we can write. Okay, so this is the validation I added. Now here I just need to do another things. So if the validation means if the request file is the valid, then we'll only upload, otherwise we will display the error message. So simply let's check here once the validation is working or not. So let's use the validation here. So if validation fails, then we need to display the errors. So simply write here, if any error in validations, so simply write if errors, and error has file, inside a file if any error, then we'll display the validation. So simply write and if, and inside here we'll use the bootstrap class alert danger, and here I will just print the error. Okay, dollar errors, and simply write the first and then the name. Okay, so here the name is file. So let's see it is working or not. So just go to the browser and let's try to upload any file. So sample1 JPG. So let's submit. It's redirecting. Okay, so just refresh once and here choose some files. Okay, so here I added the validation. The file should be JPG or JPEG. So let's try with a different extension. So here I just going to upload the .png file. Okay, so let's submit and let's see whether it's working or not. So let's click on submit, and here you can see the file field must be a file of type JPG or JPEG. So validation is working, and now I am not providing anything, and let's submit this. So what is showing? Okay, so let's submit. The file name is required. That means here our required and the MIMES type both are working. Now just go here and let's do our logic. Let's create our logic. So if request file has a file. Okay, so actually this file is the name from, and here if these are valid. Okay, so this is the is valid function, and using that we can check whether the file is valid or not. So if this is valid, then okay, otherwise just write here in this way, return back with the error message. Okay, so simply write with, and here write error. The return back means from where we submitted, it will return to that page. Okay, so file upload fail. Okay, or something error, whatever you can write. Okay, so if these are not valid, then this message will appear. Okay, otherwise if these are valid, means if this is valid, then we can write in this way. So just to use the file path, so let's store the file path, and we'll get the file path from here inside the request file, and inside the file we'll upload these things into our storage section. So simply write store, and here write uploads, and just write public. Okay, so it will upload here, and here this is our file path. Okay, now let's return back with the success matches. So if the file is uploaded, then we'll return back with the success message. So let's use the success. Actually, I will define based on this message name, means error is the session, success is the session. So if we got the error sessions, then we'll show in the file upload failed, or if success will display our success message like file uploaded. And let's I want to show the file also. So simply just pass this into our blade file. So simply write file, and here I just going to write the file path also. Okay, so simply write dollar file path. Okay, now just go to the blade file and just here print the message, means here write if this way. Okay, so if session has the success, or the spelling actually the defining. So if session has success, then we will display the success message. So inside the alert success, that will be in a green color, and here just display the success message. So simply write session get the message. So what is the message? The message is inside the success. Okay, otherwise if fail, we'll do the error message, will display the error message. So here the error message is here. Okay, and so now just go to the browser and let's check whether my file is uploading or not. So click on choose file, and here you can see the sample1.jpg, and click on submit. Okay, so file uploaded. Now if you want to see the file, so just go here and inside your project directory, just go to the storage, app, public, uploads, and here you can see the file. So let's upload another. So click on here and let's try to upload a sample3.jpg. click on submit, and here you will get another file. Okay, so very simple. Now we can understand how we can easily upload a file using the Laravel. Hope you can understand all the things. So still, if you have any queries about this video, please comment me in the comment section. Next day we are going to move into another part. We are going to discuss about the allocant. Okay, step by step we're going to use the allocant relations, and we'll build all the things. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video, and share this to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.